Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video we will learn what Microsoft OneNote is, why it is useful and how we can access or install it. Microsoft OneNote is a digital notebook that helps us keep information organized in one place. Instead of keeping notes in different files or scattered in many places, OneNote allows us to create notebooks, divide them into sections and add pages inside each section. This makes it useful for organizing meeting notes, lesson materials, project information, tasks, and shared resources. The basic structure of OneNote is simple. The main file is called a notebook. Inside the notebook we create sections. Inside each section we create pages. For example, we can create one section for classwork, then add pages for subjects like math, chemistry, and English. There are two common ways to use OneNote. The first way is OneNote Web. This version opens from a browser and does not require installation. It is useful when we want quick access from any computer. To access OneNote Web, open a browser. I'll choose Google Chrome. Search for Microsoft 365 apps. Open this site. You can click on the Sign In button at the top, or first choose OneNote from the apps list here. Then click Sign In. And click Sign In again. After that, enter your Microsoft school or work account. Click Next. Then enter the password. And click Sign In. I'll choose one of the notebooks available. Now we have access to the web version of OneNote. The second way is the OneNote desktop app. This version is installed on the computer and usually gives a fuller experience, especially when working regularly with notebooks, files, drawing tools, and Microsoft 365. To find it, click on the Start menu. Type OneNote and search for it. A purple icon labeled OneNote will appear. Click on it to open. Now we have access to the desktop version. If OneNote is not already installed on the computer, another version of OneNote can be installed through Microsoft 365. Open a browser. I chose Google Chrome again. Search for Microsoft 365 apps. Click on this site. And then sign in with your Microsoft school or work account. Then select the Apps button below and choose More Apps. Install apps and install the Microsoft 365 apps. OneNote may be installed with the Office applications depending on the account and license. The second option is through the Microsoft Store. To begin, click the Windows search button on the taskbar and search for Microsoft Store. Then open the Microsoft Store application. Inside Microsoft Store, search for OneNote. And open the OneNote application page. If the button says Open, the Microsoft Store version is already installed on the device. Otherwise, select Install and wait until the application is downloaded. Notice that this version is different from the OneNote desktop application that is included with Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. For this tutorial series, we will use the OneNote desktop application. To open it, click on the Windows Start menu and search for OneNote. Then open the application. Click the Sign In button at the top right of the screen. And sign in using your Microsoft school, or work account. Signing in is important because it allows notebooks to be saved and synced. Enter the password and click Sign In. This version is recommended because it provides the complete set of features and tools for professional use. We are now signed in to the OneNote desktop application and ready to start using it. In some school or work devices, downloading or activating the desktop app may depend on the organization's Microsoft 365 license or IT settings. If installation is not available, OneNote Web can still be used from the browser. There are also other note-taking tools such as Notion, Evernote, Google Keep, Apple Notes, and Google Notebook LM. Each tool has its own purpose, but OneNote is especially useful when working with Microsoft 365, OneDrive, Outlook, and Teams. In the next video, we will explore the OneNote interface in more detail and learn how to create quick notes and notebooks, then organize them using sections and pages. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.